Hi Heather, so here is a quick look at the linen cupboard. This side and this side are completely reversible. So on this side I'm showing a 400 deep shelf, on this side I'm showing a 300 deep shelf. You could put the 300 that side, the 400 that side, it doesn't make any difference. You could also make one or both of these 500 millimeters deep. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the price for one side, because they're identical, in 300, 400 and 500 millimeter. The back area here I've shown in 500 millimeter deep, and I'm going to show you the price for that as well. So this is just a jumping off point. You can, come back to me with ideas, do some scribbles on top of one of these images. I'm going to send you some screen grabs. You could clear one of these bays of shelves, or two of them, however many you want, and you could put pegboards in there, you could put tool holders. You talked about holding the hoover, so there's various mop, hoover, handle type holder products. You could also put an area with much slimmer shelves in there, or little baskets for holding cleaning products or any other household products. So again, just a jumping off point and an indication of price on the way to you.